Hey, what's up? It is Dan McDonald. Today we're going to talk about Elon Musk, the trillionaire. You know what? Elon Musk does not bother me in the slightest. And you know what? Neither does President Trump. And you know what? Neither does anybody. Nobody bothers me. And Elon Musk being a trillionaire, I think that's great because that dude is doing some cool stuff. You know what I'm saying? So when I see all these people complaining about Elon Musk having $1 trillion and stuff, you can't fix the world. You can't change every individual's consciousness. If you have abundance consciousness, you will be abundant. If you have poverty consciousness, it doesn't matter how much money you have. But he could never go around and fix the people's individual consciousness. What happens when you give somebody from the hood and they win a lottery ticket? Next thing you know, they go from bad to worse because now they got the money for endless crack and endless hookers and endless gluttony or whatever else. So you take this person's consciousness and you hand them money. Now you've amplified their problems even worse. Imagine all the people with all the problems that are poor. You know what I'm saying? That have all those problems. Number one, not an abundance mind state. And now you hand them a bunch of money. It's going to be nothing but problems. And you want to work for the money that you get. And eat the rich is a stupid thing. It's all just drama on social media and in the media so people can sell books. They make money off complaining about the money that other people are making, but they work hard. They sleep on the couch and they work 16, 18 hours a day, you know, and they sacrifice and they struggle. That's like me saying, I'm going to come to your house and drink your milk and eat your chocolate chip cookies and watch your TV and sit in your lounge chair. And then you're going to say, well, no, you can't do that. And I'm going to say, why not? Eat the rich, right? You've got all this. Aren't you going to share it with me? And you're like, well, no, because I worked for it. So where do we draw the line? Exactly. You can't. When those rich people, millionaires, billionaires, trillionaires, when they make that money, that's because they worked their ass off for it. And I'll tell you what, my best friend, he works with all the millionaires, all the billionaires, household names every day. And he goes and he says, dude, most of these people are miserable. They're millionaires, they're multi-billionaires, and they're not happy and they're not healthy. And he tells me every time, Dan, you have the life. And he's right. I know he's right. It's so true. He loves what he's doing because he just goes here, goes there, meets all these rich people. It doesn't mean anything to him at all because he's like me. He knows what the inner rich is. You should know what the inner rich is. When you have the inner richness, whatever you want to call it, I just call it God to make it simple for myself. Okay, but call it whatever you want. When you have that, you're not jealous of Elon Musk. You're not trying to tell anyone else what to do. You're just stoked because you're getting the karma that you need to evolve as a soul. So you feel fulfilled. Then you don't hate President Trump. Then you don't hate Elon. Then you don't hate the rich. Then you don't hate white people, black people, or whatever it is your trip is, man. All the negative Nancys in the world. All this stuff about anti-America. There shouldn't be a UFC fight. Number one, I love UFC. Number two, I love America. And all the stuff that they're doing, I think it's great. I think Donald Trump knows how to live life. And I think that other people just don't. Maybe they're jealous or whatever. But, you know, you bring that up because don't let anyone bother you. Be so happy and so fulfilled. You know, of course, I'm not bothered by the people that hate Elon Musk. I'm just trying to make a point that most of us are going to miss it. And we are going to play victim, and we're going to be angry, and we're going to blame other people, and our entire life is going to go by. And we are not going to discover the treasure that's buried in our own backyard, meaning everything you're searching for is in your heart already. And once you find that, and you know that that's there, you will only want self-mastery. That's what Elon Musk is doing. Otherwise, he would go crazy because he's got a lot of energy. And the only thing that you can do is create. Like, that's why I have to work 8, 10, 12 hours a day, you know? And I'm so glad to be where I'm at. That's pretty much why I'm fairly happy. If that went away, you know, I was still pretty happy. But now that I've got all this work to do, you know, and this guy is in a hurry. I don't understand what the hurry is, you know, why this guy's trying to past me or whatever. There's nowhere to go. It's just, well, that's strange. Anyway, sorry about that, but I know it's all politically incorrect, but I really don't care. I love America. I think Elon Musk is doing a great job. I think President Trump is doing a great job. I think Obama did a great job. I think Biden did a great job. Everyone is fulfilling their role perfectly. When you are aware of the mind of God and you understand the mystery, you get the hell out of the way of the divine intelligence of this universe, which makes Elon Musk, Trump, Dan McDonald, Biden, and everyone else fulfill their role perfectly for the ends and means that we might keep this country and this world balanced. Right now, the country and the world is balanced. Let me ask you a question. Have you eaten today? You're very rich. Do you have a place to sleep tonight? You're very, very rich. Do you have a car? You are unbelievably rich. Will you eat twice in one day? Oh my God. Do you have comfortable clothing? Wow, you are super, super, super rich. But no, we lose perspective, and it's not enough. You have to have a big screen TV in every room. You have to have 4 different girls on your OnlyFans. You have to have ice cream in the refrigerator, an extra freezer for your extra stuff, and so much junk and so much trash and so many consumer goods that you lose sense of everything that matters. And so I see these people, they write to me all the time. They're pissed at me because I'm a white guy. They're like, you've never worked a day in your life. I've been working since I was 8 years old. All the money is never going to do it. You have to just be busy, being productive. That's what Elon Musk is doing. And if you were doing that, you'd be content too, and you'd be happy. Most of us never find happiness because we never really see. The ego goes outward, the spirit falls back inwards and falls into dissolution and allows God to just live through you. It is the only truth you ever need to know, is to surrender your mind, surrender your thoughts, surrender your body, even surrender your so-called spiritual path to the ever-present luminescence that is. It's a mystery. You can't breathe your way there, eat your way there, fast your way there, meditate your way there. You can't semen retention your way there. You can build up your body and be super highly conscious and then have a super healthy body with super healthy radiance. But what you're searching for, you already have. It is your true vital essence. It's everything that you've ever wanted. And maybe we just didn't know it. And Dan McDonald, thank God, had a really hard life. And I am so glad I didn't have any success, because I wouldn't be who I am today. It wouldn't let me succeed in all these different areas of life. And now I'm super grateful. I sleep on the floor, I live off coconuts, and I live a simple life. But all the pain pushed me back to stay on track with the search for truth. And once you find that, you don't have to bemoan anything anymore. You don't have to be angry at anyone. You don't have to be a bitter feminist. You don't have to be pissed off. You don't have to be a victim. You can be victorious, because you can understand right where you are is right where you're meant to be. Then you can have peace, and then you can have joy and bliss and ease and grace. And you can just say, thank you, God, because you have life, which is the treasure. And if you are aware that you have life, that is even a whole nother level. You have the gift of intelligible life within you. Look at your brain and nervous system. Now, you can either let that brain and nervous system destroy you, or you can allow that brain and nervous system to take your consciousness through that amazingly massive frontal lobe of yours, and you can see exactly what I'm talking about. You might not understand every little semantical detail, but in essence, you are the one you're searching for. You're number one, your own best friend, and number two, your own best enemy. Whatever you decide to do, if you listen to the negative Nancy of the mind to tear you down and judge and criticize others and try to be pissed off at Elon Musk because he could so-called save the world, he can't. No amount of money can save the world. Each individual has to rise up in their own consciousness, and they all have different karma. This world is perfect. It is our attitude that is faulty and needs adjustment. You have the power to seek the truth within you, to become overflowing with joy in your heart, to be overflowing with an awareness of the gift of life within you, and all this little petty crap will be left behind in the dust and dissipate into nothing, because you'll know that when Elon Musk succeeds, you succeed. Can you dig it, baby? God bless you, and peace be with you. Aloha. I just found these glasses today. I really like them. I have like 47 pairs of sunglasses because, number one, lighters get lost, which I have a ton of those over there. I don't need them for anything, but I think maybe one day I'll start a campfire. I never have. But the second thing that gets lost the most is sunglasses, and I just found these, and I really like the way I look. I'm cool, and you know it, and you're going to do what I say because I'm Dan McDonald, the Life Regenerator, on social media. And if I pissed you off today, good. And if you liked the video, good. Everyone, have a great day. God bless you. Yeah.